Hello there, citizens. This is Aaron Oates for Tech Talk with the Hoffman Auto Group. I had a customer ask a question recently about a tire repair. They came in with a flat and they couldn't understand why we weren't able to repair their particular tire. So what I want to do today is talk about the different options for tire repair and explain that sometimes we can fix a puncture and sometimes we're not able to. So let's take a look. These are some basic tire repair supplies we have right here, and I'm sitting next to a run-of-the-mill tire. What I want you to understand, first of all, is that on the surface of the tire, if the puncture is between the tread grooves on the flat surface, we can repair that. If the puncture is over on the side or on the side wall, we're unable to patch that correctly. It just won't work on the inside because the patch has to go to the inside of the tire up in here. Now there's various types of repairs too. Old school rope type plugs, which are put in with the reamer and the installation tool. A couple different types of adhesive required there. We have a standard old school patch as well. These are pretty effective, but not as good as the current industry standard, which is the patch plug. Now the patch plug combines these two into one thing. But if a puncture is past 25 degrees at an angle, this can't be used. We have to use a patch and a plug to repair that properly. So there's a number of options. All of them do meet industry standards up to a point, and it depends completely, again, on the type of puncture that we see here. Also, we can't do anything beyond a diameter of a little below 1/4 of an inch. It just can't be done. I've seen some huge things through tires creating damage. I saw a wrench stuffed through a tire once. It was amazing. We couldn't even pull it back out. So understand, every time you get a flat, it's not necessarily repairable. When you do, if it can be repaired, we will repair it up to the industry standard. We try to dominantly use the patch plug method as it is the superior method. And we want to make sure your tire is safe for service on the road. So again, if you do have trouble with a flat tire, get a hold of us, get your car in, we can swap that spare off and see if you've got a repairable tire or you'll require a new one. I know this video is a little longer, but I think it's important for you all to understand. So thanks again for watching. This is Aaron Oates with Hoffman Tech Talk. And you all enjoy your day. Happy motoring. We'll see you soon.